What happens when you drink hot water on an empty stomach every day? Health benefits of drinking hot water. Nothing is as essential to our survival as good old plain water. By now, you've probably heard that drinking more water throughout the day can help to improve your health, and that's a hard fact. But did you know that by drinking it warm you can unlock a whole new level of unique health benefits? Starting your day by drinking a cup of warm water on an empty stomach will enhance your digestion, stimulate your metabolism, and accelerate the removal of toxins and waste from the body. Regardless of whether you choose to drink it plain, or try to improve its taste by adding lemon or mint, drinking warm water deserves a special place in your morning rituals, and here are 6 reasons to start doing it right away. 1. Detoxifies organs. Drinking a cup of warm water as soon as you wake up will help you clean your body from harmful toxins and metabolic waste by stimulating the decomposition of food in the digestive system and improving its function. 2. Provides a strong metabolic boost. It doesn't matter if you are trying to lose weight or not, we all need a good metabolic boost from time to time. Drinking warm water is beneficial for your metabolic rate and will set you up for a great start of the day. It will also help you get rid of stomach aches caused by a sluggish metabolism and poor digestion. 3. Alleviates pain. Warm water is one of the most efficient natural remedies for menstrual cramps, stomach aches and headaches, since it enhances circulation and helps relax the muscles and calm the body, alleviating any pain, cramps, and spasms. However, regular daily consumption is required for best results. 4. Aids weight loss. By improving the metabolic rate and raising body temperature, warm water can increase fat burning. If you're already practicing a fat loss diet, the habit of drinking warm water every morning will accelerate the results even further. 5. Slows down aging. As we mentioned above, warm water is ideal for detoxifying the body. This cleansing process helps the body eliminate accumulated toxins and reverse the effect of harmful free radicals. Among other things, these compounds can cause illness and premature aging of the skin by reducing its vitality and elasticity. Drink warm water every morning to give your skin back its smoothness and to improve the health of all body cells. 6. Protects hair health. Another great benefit of warm water is its positive effect on hair vitality. Drinking warm water supports the health of hair roots and their nerve endings and promotes shiny, soft hair. Furthermore, by keeping your scalp well hydrated, it can stimulate faster hair growth and help you keep dandruff away.